Early access to diagnosis and effective treatment is one of the major strategies for eliminating malaria. This is, however, negatively affected by myths and misconceptions about malaria. Here are 10 common misconceptions about malaria. There has been this notion by many people that exposure to too much sun causes malaria. This is simply not true. After walking in the sun for long, you can feel tired, dehydrated, or hot in the body. This makes people think they have malaria. The only thing that causes malaria is the malaria parasite. There are 5 species of this parasite that can affect humans and cause illness. Continue watching this video to find out what they are. There is a common misconception that typhoid causes malaria or malaria causes typhoid. Not true. Typhoid is caused by bacteria Salmonella typhi, and malaria is caused by the malaria parasite Plasmodium. However, typhoid and malaria share social circumstances that make it possible to contract both diseases. Instead of saying typhoid malaria, the correct way to say someone has both diseases is to say they have typhoid fever and malaria. Not true. You come down with malaria whenever the malaria parasite gets access to your bloodstream, and this is normally due to mosquito bites. Malaria only leads to death if not treated in time. In fact, the majority of the cases diagnosed and treated in time are not fatal. Among all the communicable diseases, malaria is the 3rd largest killer of children between the ages of 1 month and 5 years. Though children have a higher risk of dying from malaria because of their lower immune system, the risk of infection is same for everyone, especially in Nigeria. Malaria spreads in dry and rainy seasons, but is more common in rainy season due to increased mosquito breeding and transmission. People under severe stress can have symptoms that somebody who has malaria also has. Symptoms like tiredness, feeling unwell, and loss of appetite. It has been shown that the body immunity comes down. The lower immunity affords the malaria parasites in the blood to manifest in the form of signs and symptoms of malaria. However, you must have the parasite in your body for stress to precipitate malaria infection. Not true, because malaria symptoms usually appear 10 days to 1 month after being infected. Symptoms can be mild, and some people don't even feel sick for up to a year after the mosquito bite. Parasites can live in the body for several years without causing symptoms. A single mosquito bite is all it takes for someone to become infected with malaria. But the severity of the malaria depends on your immune system and the parasitic load. Nowadays, there are very effective medications for the treatment of all species of malaria. All malaria can be cured, although some species of malaria like Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium vivax can stay in the liver for a long time. However, they can be eradicated completely. There you have it, the 10 common misconceptions about malaria. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.